Welcome back to ClearTask. If you're trying to comment on YouTube Shorts, but find the option disabled, it usually happens because of age restrictions on your Google account. YouTube requires users to be at least 13 years old to use the comment section. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix this in just a few seconds. To get started, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture. This is usually located in the bottom right corner, though on some older versions, it might still be at the top right. Next, tap the Google account button right under your name. This will take you to your main account settings. Once you are on the Google account page, look at the navigation menu near the top and select the Personal Info tab. Scroll down slightly until you find the birthday section and tap on it to make edits. Now update your birth date to an age that confirms you are at least 13 years old. After making the adjustment, simply tap Save at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes. Close the YouTube app and open it again to refresh your session. Your age is now updated across all Google services, and you should be able to comment on YouTube Shorts without any issues. If this quick fix worked for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.